great is this place?
That's awesome.
Brilliant.
Could you imagine? You could drink some cocktails out here. It's got a vibe, doesn't it?
It really does.
You could have all your girlfriends out here. Well, not your girlfriends. No, your girlfriends. Maybe your girlfriends.
Yeah, there's every chance.
I think Dave and Isabel loved this house. The fact that there was such indoor living, it was almost seamless. Now, what I love about this is very similar vibe of what we can do for your house.
Yeah.
What part of it is it that you're liking?
The pool's stunning.
Oh, the pool for one, yeah.
You could see Isabel looking at that pool. It was almost like showing a vegetarian a steak, you know? She was just kept looking back at the pool, and I'm like, babes, you're going to have a pool.
So what we're sort of planning with you is that this is the existing part of the house that we're going to rebuild.
Okay.
And then an outdoor area, pool going this way.
Oh, okay.
And then you've got your yard up the top,
Yeah.
where we're going to build another pavilion up on top of that.
Oh, wow.
So it all looks over the pool.
Okay.
Now, behind us, we've got an incredible insulated roof panels from Bondor.
Yeah,
Now,
that's really interesting.
what this is going to do is it's going to insulate your space to keep it warm in the winter and cool in the summer.
Yeah, so with this, you've got different thicknesses of panels, and they give you a bigger R rating. So the thicker you go, the bigger the R
Not
rating.
that R rating.
It's a G-rated R rating. Righto. The smaller your R rating, the less energy efficient it is.
Yep.
The thicker you go, the better the R rating on this stuff, and that's the more efficiency you get out of your energy. So this here, it's a cracking roof.
Really liked how you got some light through the roofing as well. So the little skylights they had through there added some interest to it, which was really good.
It could all be yours if you go Team Rebuild. It could all be yours.
Okay.
Just say yes. Just say
Yes.
yes. Right, another tip, another tip.
Makes you feel like you would have some friends over. Don't you reckon?
What are you talking about? I thought we were friends.
Oh yeah, no. I feel like if you choose Team Rebuild, we need to have a party.
I
Patios.
definitely feel like, you know, with this whole indoor-outdoor space, it does make it, you know, easier to have mates over. You've got more space. It's, you know, a lot more flow. So it'd be awesome, especially if we ended up with a pool.
So, Dave, I'm tipping you probably do all the cooking on the barbecue at home.
Yeah, certainly my domain, yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
So you'd like a barbecue in...
Definitely.
Yeah, certainly, yeah.
So, and I'm
It's
tipping...
very heavily used during the summertime especially.
I could imagine, and I'm tipping bar fridges as well.
Bar fridge would not go astray.
That would
So
be
you'd be
wonderful.
looking at an outdoor kitchen in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we
Yeah,
could.
if possible. My bar fridge is currently in the garage, which we can't get to very easily. It's
Yeah.
nice if you want to hide away and have a beer, but you know,
Yeah.
if you want to supervise your kids
In
while
his
you're having
main
one, it's a bit easy to do it up there.
Good place to hide.
Okay, so we've got bar fridge, barbecue, patio, pool, pavilion living.
Lots of peas. It's good.
Yep.
So I guess all these things sound pretty amazing, but are we going to be able to hit the budget with all these sort of extras is a pretty big concern.
We feel that you're going to save a lot of money by building the pavilion up the top first, and then living in your house. If you rent that out for a bit and want to save up more money before you do those pavilions, you've got that income coming from there.
Yeah, okay.
So we feel that way you're saving a lot of money.
God, Team Rebuild.
Well, look, have a look at this. And I don't mean to be rude, but have a look at this to what you got.
Yeah.
And we can make this happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't
So-
waste your time with the renovation.